So many patients may wonder, should I replace my missing tooth, or if a tooth needs to come out, should I immediately replace that? Our recommendation is yes. The mouth is meant to have all the teeth in place. All the teeth come together in the mouth to form one solid unit. So when a tooth is missing, the surrounding teeth start to bear more weight. The mouth is functioning abnormally. We often see teeth break much earlier than they would. Over a long period of time, the bone at the site will resorb. And so after many years, it might become more difficult to replace that site with a dental implant. When we replace a tooth, it's ideal to do it either at the time the tooth comes out or shortly after. Smile-On is Lane Oral Surgery's solution to full mouth replacement of your teeth using dental implants. This goes by several different names. We call it Smile-On. The Smile-On procedure involves removing your failing dentition that exists, replacing dental implants into those sites, and then loading your temporary teeth that same day from surgery. You're sedated during the procedure, so when you wake up from that sedation, you're looking at your brand new beautiful smile. The timeline for the Smile-On process involves a preoperative visit for planning. The surgical date is morning surgery or full day surgery if it's upper and lower jaws. Recovery from that surgery involves about 3 to 5 days. By 1 week out, swelling has resolved and you're ready to go to show the world your brand new smile. The full healing phase of the implants is 3 months from that initial surgery date. That's how long implants take to fuse to the bone, and we expect that Smile-On to last the rest of your life. Candidates for the Smile-On procedure are patients with multiple failing dentition, unsightly dentition in poor condition, patients in partials, patients in complete dentures. So most patients are candidate for this surgery. We use the areas in the upper jaw here, underneath the nose, and the lower jaw here in the chin. That bone is very stable in nearly all patients, so nearly everyone is a candidate for this procedure. To find out more about our Smile-On procedure and full arch dental implants at Lane Oral Surgery, contact our office today for a free consultation. And together, we can come up with a solution for your new smile.